Hey, welcome to another season of Fishing is My Summer Job. Dwayne Petrosky, your host. I'm back. I got a new kayak that I'm going to show you, and I'm going to go give it its maiden voyage tonight. So stay tuned, and hopefully we'll catch some fish. So I ended up buying a Perception Outlaw 11.5. I've got a couple rod holders I added, camera mount. I've got my basket that I have to bungee down in case we have any problems. It actually fits my minnows really nice because I'm going crappie fishing today. And we're going to go give this thing a try. So stay tuned. Hopefully we can catch some fish.
I might just have my, no, I don't. While I was moving around, I come onto a big school of it. Looked like good-sized bluegills. All I have minnows today, which is a great bluegill bait, but we'll see what happens. We're cruising around in here in a tight school. I don't know if I can get them to bite or not, or if they'll come back here where my lures are at, or my baits are, but hey, we'll see. Nothing else. Beautiful day out. Beats not fishing. Either the wind's switching or it's swirling. It's coming a little more out of the west right now than it was. It's coming a little more due north, but now it's kind of, or due south, and now it's kind of swung out to the west northwest, which means I can paddle into the wind again, which I did on the way down here. So. Nothing else, the boat is comfortable. That's maybe a good sign. Got a fish! First one of the boat, exactly what I was fishing for. Not a bad crappie. All right. So, there we go. Kind of there. Fish number one of the season. Skunk off the new boat.